How's it going, everyone? So we're gonna get straight into it tonight. I got some team boxes for Pokemon Go. Still trying to finish the binder. It is Wednesday. I will be uploading it when you see this. Excited. There's my background for my openings now. Love it. Love Mew, Ancient Mew. So I'm gonna get straight into it today. First one we're going to open is the Special Collections Team Valor. There's the trainer card. I actually need these anyway, but was having a hard time finding them, so gonna get straight into it. Yeah, so it's been a long day, you know, just had to wait for these to show up. Excited. Hopefully I get some good hits today. Still need all the secret rares. I need the alternate full art Mewtwo still. Just pulled the Radiant Charizard the other day. Excited. I was happy about that. So pull this Cadella out, and I'm excited. I got some sleeves next to me, so these are all binders. So excited for these Black Star promos to finish the master set. Got the pen. They're very neat as well. Got some weight to them though, which is cool. So, well, here we go. First pack. Let's see if we can get some hits. Yeah, having some issues today, huh? All right. Well, apparently having issues opening booster packs today. That's a good one. Come on, we can do it. So hopefully everybody's having a good week. I know it's only the middle of the week, but hopefully everybody is having a great week. It is hot here. I mean, it's been very hot, you know. About to do the card trick. So there's the card for the game. Hopefully they actually release that soon. The Pokemon Live trading card game. Go and do the card trick. Let's try to guess an energy. Water. Oh man. Slowbro. Lunatune. Pokestop. Got the Eevee. Got the Numel. Raticate. Tranquil. And got the Spinarak Ditto. Look at that. This is the first Spinarak I've pulled. That is pretty cool. I'm actually not. I've already pulled the Ditto for my set, so I'm actually keeping these unpeeled. And if I keep pulling some more, I'm going to probably give them away. And then got a Glycopod. Excited. Yeah. I haven't pulled the Spinarak Ditto. They're pretty neat. So, but yeah, I'm just going to put them non-pulled into the binder. So, excited. We'll keep going. Got another pack going. Throw that away. There's the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We going to guess a Psychic. Oh, fighting. Dang it. Slowbro, another Looney, Chansey, Magikarp, Pidove, Onyx, Eevee, Charmander. Ooh, a double Charmander and another Glossopod. He is very, very common. Interesting. Yeah, I'm still excited for that Ditto, though. I love the Dittos. It's a very cool feature that they have done for Pokemon. Like, hopefully they continue the trend for stuff like that. That'd be pretty awesome, to be honest. So, oh, another card going off like that. Should we Psychic? I fail. Oh, Looney Tune, Ivysaur, Spinarak, Wimpod, Larvitar, the male, Bulbasaur, oh, Solar Voc, and a Slack King V. I actually needed him. I've been trying to pull him. This is the first one, and I've seen a lot of people pull him. So, finally was able to pull him. Still hoping for that full art Mewtwo. I'm excited for that. That is a very, very neat card. Yeah, I started playing Pokemon Go, though, when it first came out. So, 2016. If you want to look it up, Red Brick Spider 6, add me as a friend. I'll accept it. That is my Pokemon Go. So, here we go. Card trick 4. We're going to lower this a little. Be easier. Grass. Oh. So, Pheasant. Camera up. Apom. Bulbasaur. Well, Kate again. The Tranquil. Bidoof. Ditto. Wow. 2 Dittos. That is something. This was the 3rd one I needed, so I have the full set of Dittos and then a Melmetal. Sweet. So now I have the full set of Ditto. All 3 of them. Pretty neat. I seen people were pulling lots of good cards out of these packs, out of these smaller boxes, so here we go again. Alright. Dark Energy, Pokestop, Slowbro, Cadella, Natu, Ambipom, Slowpoke, Barrel, Pikachu, Venusaur, and a Caldera. Have him. Do I have that? No, I do not have this one. I do not have this full art. So that's another one off my list. Awesome. And then the reverse is Venusaur. So I have that. To finish the master set, you got to have both the reverse and the hollows and the reverse and regular. So yeah, gonna be pulling 18 packs today. Hopefully that's two more cards off the list, so that's an all right one. I'm okay with that. Still haven't pulled the Dragonite V either, the regular, and still haven't pulled a secret rare, and I'm 100 packs in, which is insane. Hopefully I pull at least one secret rare today, or the, like I said, full art Mewtwo. Oh, here we go. Pokemon card trick 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm actually in the process of trying to get the Lost Abyss Japanese set. Excited because I'm going to get a full booster box, and then I'm going to do some vintage stuff. I'm going to try to find some vintage packs, and we're going to rip some vintage packs and might give one away. Chansey, Steelix, X2, Natu, Ambipom, Raticate, Larvitar, Rattata, oh, the reverse, and Lapras. This is a very, very nice Lapras card, though. And the reverse trainer. So I think I actually need that in the reverse as well. So that's awesome. Well, there's that. All 6 of those are done for team. Now we're moving on to Team Mystic. This is the team that I am part of on Pokemon Go. Articuno, favorite bird. So excited. Get this open. So yeah, it's been a long day. Like I said, hopefully everybody's having a good day. So Actually, I got my puppy dog right here. She came to see what Dad is doing. Lucy. That's my puppy dog, Lucy. Have a big dog lover. So, she a 2-year-old German Shepherd. She is full of energy. So, alright, so there's the pen. Excited for that. These are some nice pens. The Black Star promo. Blanche for the win. Alright. And the card. See what we can pull out of here. We pulled 2 dittos. Nothing crazier than that. No bangers at all. It is what it is, though. So, yep. So, let's see what we're doing here. There's another card. I'm gonna go with Lightning Energy again. See if we can get a start with a Psychic. Gamerupt, Blanche, Ivysaur, Lavitar, Rattata, Spinarak, Pikachu, Wimpod, Nox2, and Pikachu Holographic. Nothing cool there. On to the next one. So come on. Let's having issues apparently. Technical difficulties. There we go. Was able to get it. Nice. One, two, three, 4. Oh, Psychic Energy again. Ivysaur, Pokestop, Unifezant, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, Onix, Bilbo, Solrock, and Snorlax. Snorlax. Come in one of those 10s. So I actually bought one of the Snorlax 10s too. Alright. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Oh, look at that. For the win. Steelix, Act 2. Countdown. Rattata, Namel, Raticate, Tranquil, Lavatar, Act 2 again. Another Slacking V. Of course, I'm going to pull him multiple times now after 100 packs. Took me 90 packs to pull him, and now I've pulled 2 in the last 12. So yep. And I'm actually still giving this Execute away, so still have that. That's my first giveaway. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna be a start for some good things, hopefully. 2, 3, and 4. Got a Metal, Tansy, Ivysaur, Unifezant, Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Bidoof, Melton, Pikachu, Melmetal V. I have a bunch of him. I need the VMAX as well of him, and the Dragonite V, and whatnot. Just keep going at this point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lightning. Oh, I messed up. So, got a Mewtwo V-Star. I messed up. Whoops. I'm just going to throw that over there. So, oh, and there is the reverse. A Radiant Venusaur. Such a great looking card. I'm not even going to lie. So nice. Such a nice card. I have like, I had to pull the EBT, my very first one, and I pulled like 3 of those. It was crazy. Alright, let's try not to mess this one up. For sure. There's that. Alright. Dark Energy, Rare Candy, Slowbro, Lunatoon, Slowpoke, Barrel, Spinarak again, Pidove, Rattata, Articuno Reverse, and Tyranitar. Such a great card. Still need the reverse of this one though. Alright, we are on the last box, Team Instinct. So, like I said, I'm still trying to get used to talking in the camera and talking to everybody and trying to just get the hang of things. I'm actually going to be probably changing my camera setup here before too long to make it a little easier and a little bit more in focus. So, hopefully that will help everything. Got the Zapdos pin. So, got that. Like I said, I'm going to change everything hopefully here soon. Spark. Alright, let's get these last few packs. Let's root for something good. Card. Alright, here we go. Let's hopefully for something fantastic. Yeah, so like I said in my introduction video, a lot of buddies like, hey, start streaming and you'll eventually get good at it. And I know they love that I love opening Pokemon cards because, well, I'm a nerd. It's alright. Play the games. I also drag race motorcycles, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a Leaf Energy, Ariados, Steelix, Axoo, Spinarak, Wimpod, Lavitar, Mel, Bulbasaur, Dove, another Melmetal V. I actually think I need him to reverse on Pidove. So let's just keep trucking. My dog's acting a little crazy. She's like, why are you talking to yourself? So. Fire, Steelix, Wartortle, Slowbro, Bulbasaur, a 2, Ambipom, Slowpoke. Got a Blastoise and another Lapras. We're going to pull something really good out of this one. That Radiant Venusaur, phenomenal. But I have a feeling we're going to pull something real good out of this one. Let's get a banger here. Trying to pull all the master set. Heard rumors it's taking people a lot of packs. Trying not to do that. And then just a regular Venusaur. I'm surprised I haven't pulled one of the regular Charizards yet, though. That's a crazy. I'm actually going to be sending some cards off to get graded here before too long as well. Like my brother owns a card shop and they send cards off, so I'm going to have him send off a bunch, and then we'll do a video on opening those. So hopefully we get some good grades. I'm actually going to send my Ancient Mew and my Vaporeon in as well. So There's the ditto. All 3 dittos. We literally pulled all 3 dittos in one video. Alright. I might send one of those to get graded. For no reason. I'll probably send that Radiant Venusaur in as well. Might as well. So, don't worry, and I got sleeves, so they're there. Let's see what we got here. Got the holo and the reverse Venusaur in one pack. Alright, never done that before. Alright. Down to our last pack. Let's hope for something good. Not, well, gonna be going to get more packs. See what? Well, I screwed up again. There's the holo. See what's in the reverse. And there's the reverse. So, alrighty. Well, we are done opening packs. Hopefully y'all have a great night, and hopefully you guys can leave me some comments on what I can definitely improve on. So like, subscribe, and have a good night. Stay classy.